A great thumbnail can completely change your click-through rate and help your videos get more views. You don't need Photoshop skills or an expensive designer to create viral YouTube thumbnails. With AI, you can recreate almost any thumbnail style in just few minutes. Even you can use your own avatar. In this video, I am going to show you a simple step-by-step method to break down any successful thumbnail, turn it into the perfect prompt, and generate professional quality thumbnails that look like they were made by top creators. Let's dive in. First, go to YouTube, find the thumbnail you want to make, and take its screenshot. Then open ChatGPT in a browser. Upload that thumbnail and type break it down in extreme detail and understand how to recreate thumbnails in this style. Then press enter and wait for ChatGPT to break it down for you. Then add photos of your main avatar here and type my topic is, for example, how to create YouTube thumbnails. Write me down a text prompt to create that thumbnail in the style you broke down above. I have attached pictures of the avatar that I want in my thumbnail. It will create you image text prompt. Copy it. Then in new browser, open Flow AI. Click on Create with Flow. Add pictures of main avatar here and paste text prompt. Click down here, click on image, select the size 16:9. Here select X4 and press enter. It will generate you multiple thumbnails. Download the one you like. That's how easy it is to create professional YouTube thumbnails using AI. No design skills, no expensive tools, and no need to hire an editor. Try this method today and see the difference for yourself.